In order to submit your website to Google, go to Search Console. I will give you the link in the description below, and take a copy of your URL and paste it here and click on continue. There are a couple different ways to verify your ownership. The easiest way is to verify your website using HTML tag. Click on that and click on copy. This will copy the meta tag on your clipboard, and go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Yoast and General. Under this webmaster tool, paste your meta tag here and click on save changes. Once it has been saved, it might take a couple of minutes, or if you have caching plugin, in that case it might take half an hour to be available. Anyways, once you save this meta tag, it will automatically format uh, exactly the way it needs, and go back to your search console and click on verify. If the search console find the meta tag on your website, then you will be verified. uh, Otherwise you have to try half an hour or 1 hour later, and go to your property, and you have to do one more last thing for the initial setup. You already submitted your website, and you verified your ownership. And next thing you have to do is your submitted site map. So uh, Google can crawl your website periodically. Click on site map. I already have submitted the site map here. Uh, Let me remove it, and again let me submit this. If you install your plugin, it will create a sitemap for you. But if you use any other different plugin, for example, uh, rank math or something else, or all-in-one SEO or whatever, check the plugin documentation and find your sitemap link. But if you are using Yoast, as I shown in my post, uh, click on Yoast and General, and under the Features tab, find the XML sitemaps. Click on this exclamation note of interrogation mark and click on this link. See the XML sitemap. It will give you the sitemap URL. Just copy this last portion after the slash and paste it here and submit. So the status is success. That means it's done from our part. But if you see a different status, for example, could not fetch, sometimes happens. So don't worry about it. It sometimes takes a couple of moments, or you can refresh these web page. So if you see that your status has changed to success, then you should be okay. So pretty much that's it for submitting your website to uh, Google, and then you can check your performance from this tab. And since this is very new and just submitted a couple of minutes ago, so I don't have too much data, uh, but you should see lots of real field data on this performance tab, which pages are ranking on the search results, and which queries, for example, which keywords are ranking and their position. Pretty much everything you need to know about your performance of your website. I have a very detailed post about Search Console setup. I will link that under the description.